Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to the ultimate pedicure guide? The ultimate DIY pedicure guide. As the weather warms up and sandals come out, it's the perfect time to give your feet some extra TLC. A pedicure is more than just a cosmetic treatment, it's a way to relax, rejuvenate, and show your feet some love. Whether you're looking to save money by skipping the salon, or simply want to learn how to give yourself a professional quality pedicure at home, this guide has got you covered. With these easy-to-follow steps and expert tips, you'll be on your way to achieving soft, smooth, and beautifully polished feet that are perfect for strutting your stuff all summer long. So grab a cup of your favorite coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's get started on this DIY pedicure journey. Step 1. Prepare your space. Clear a comfortable and quiet space to work on your pedicure. Lay down a towel or mat to protect your floor. Gather all the necessary tools and products within arm's reach. Step 2. Remove old nail polish. Use a nail polish remover to take off any existing polish from your toenails. Use a cotton ball or swab to gently remove the polish. Wash your feet with soap and water to remove any remaining polish remover. Step 3. Soak your feet. Fill a large bowl or foot bath with warm water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, essential oils, or bath salts to the water. Soak your feet in the warm water for 10 minutes to soften your cuticles and relax your muscles. Step 4. Trim and shape your toenails. Use nail clippers to trim and shape your toenails. Cut straight across the nail, avoiding cutting too short or at an angle. Use a nail file to smooth out any rough edges. Step 5. Push back your cuticles. Use a cuticle pusher or an orange stick to gently push back your cuticles. Be careful not to push too hard, as this can cause bleeding or pain. Step 6. Exfoliate your feet. Use a pumice stone or foot file to gently exfoliate your feet. Focus on the heels and any areas with thick skin. Rinse your feet with warm water to remove any dead skin cells. Step 7. Moisturize your feet. Apply a rich moisturizer to your feet, paying special attention to the heels and any dry areas. Massage the moisturizer into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Step 8. Paint your toenails. Apply a base coat to your toenails to protect them and promote polish adhesion. Apply 1 to 2 coats of your chosen nail polish, allowing the first coat to dry completely before applying the second. Finish with a top coat to seal in your polish and add shine. The final result should be a professional-looking pedicure that you can be proud of. Congratulations! You've completed your DIY pedicure. With these simple steps, you've transformed your feet into a beautiful, professional-looking pedicure that's perfect for strutting your stuff all summer long. Remember, taking care of your feet is an essential part of self-care and self-love. By following these steps and making pedicures a regular part of your routine, you'll be able to relax and unwind with a calming foot soak, soften and smooth rough skin with exfoliation, add a pop of color and personality with nail polish, boost your confidence and feel like the best version of yourself. So go ahead, show off your beautiful feet, and enjoy the feeling of having pampered and taken care of yourself. Happy pampering! Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, share,